Welcome to this beautifully updated home with a new Trex deck in the highly sought-after Pontesino neighborhood. Ideally located, it's within walking distance to excellent amenities including schools, Pfeifer Park, and Happy Valley Station food carts. You also have access to the neighborhood pool, full gym, clubhouse, and party room. Discover new flooring, tons of natural light, and high-end features throughout. The open-concept living room leads to the gourmet kitchen with a matching GE Profile appliance package, brand new refrigerator, wine rack, huge pantry, and a butler's pantry with coffee bar. It opens to the dining room with an elegant tray ceiling. The primary bedroom with a shiplap accent wall is a private retreat with a spacious bathroom. And a large walk-in closet. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has plenty of space with more than 2,700 square feet. Plus a renovated laundry room with quartz countertops and extra storage. The new covered Trex deck is perfect for entertaining large groups year-round. You'll also enjoy mature landscaping, 2 fig trees, blueberry plants, and more. You'll love the 3-car tandem garage with epoxy-coated flooring and tons of storage. An exceptional move-in ready home in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.